Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today, we are doing my birthday sleigh. It is my 35th birthday. I'm super excited to be doing this look for you guys. I also wanted to make sure I included pink because I'm doing my breast cancer awareness looks all this month. So every look I do for the month of October will have some type of pink incorporated. So this is our really poppin' pink look that has like the nice festive glitter on it, and I think it looks really cute. You guys let me know how you feel about this look below. If you are interested in seeing how to get this look, then please continue to watch. Please also continue to like the videos so we can continue to show up on other pages, continue to share so we can continue to show other people how to get these sleighs. And please continue to subscribe so we can continue to grow. And leave me a comment and let me know how you're feeling. Let me know if you're liking these looks. Let me know anything. Just leave me a comment so we can just keep on connecting. Thank you guys so much for your support and thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Alright beauties, let's go ahead and get started on this look. This is my birthday look. Today is my birthday. The big 3-5. So, whew, 35, y'all. I don't know where the time goes, but we're going to do something different this video. I want to follow a Nikki Tutorials tutorial that she did a while ago. It was like for Christmas last year, and I followed it and I did the look and it came out really good, but I want to do it with pink instead of blue. So I'm going to make sure to tag her, but I'm going to just remix it with pink instead of blue because for the month of October we're going to be doing all looks with pink in them for breast cancer awareness. So let's go ahead and get started. She did her makeup first, like her foundation and stuff, but for me, I just don't usually do that. Doesn't usually come out right. So we're gonna go in with the Bangin' Brunette brow pomade from ColourPop. I really needed to clean my brows up, but time is really starting to catch up to me, so I'm just gonna finesse what I got. I'm gonna be using this Maybelline New York Honey Mill concealer in this flat concealer brush. She is starting out with the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place and going into the orange color. This is a Luxie 249 and we're going to go into the yellow color here to blend out the edges. Okay, so now we're going to go in with this purple color here and we're going to blend that over the orange, but not all the way to the top, just on like on the lid, on the front and back, because it's going to be a halo eye. And she was saying it's going to look crazy until the last step, so don't judge it by how it looks right now. It's going to come together. For that step, I used the It's My Ray Ray BH Cosmetics number 6 brush. So I'm going in right now with the concealer. Just that Maybelline concealer. Okay, that's good. So now she's adding this dark color that I had did on the first one that I did, but I'm going to be doing more of a pink look. So we're going into the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. And we're going to apply Zobo. I'll show that to you in just a minute. So this is how Zobo looks. We're applying that color. So now we're going to go ahead and just cut the center. I think she did Yamoja. I'm going to mix two colors because I don't want it to be a silver. I want it to be kind of a little pink. So I'm going to go into, or actually I think I'm just going to try going into this color, Oh Sun. So first right here. So here's the glitter glue. This holographic silver, this dark pink, and this light pink. This is going to be Festive in my Mariah Carey voice. So I mixed it all in this top. This is the Extra Intense Carbon Black from L'Oreal. And I'm going to go ahead and blend the pink underneath the eye to set this. That's good for now. We're going to mix other colors in there to lighten it up, but I just want to start the face now. So I'm about to blend away all of this excess glitter. And this is why I didn't do my face first. I just can't, I don't know how they do it. Working with glitter never works out for me. I'm going to go in with the Garnier Skin Active Clearly Brighter Sunscreen Moisturizer. I'm only going to add a little. It's nighttime. I don't really need the sunscreen. And this, you can smell the sunscreen in it, so it's pretty strong. But I just still want to moisturize my face because I'm going to be wearing Fenty foundation. I'll use this Benefit Professional. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and go into our Fenty foundation. This is the Pro Filter in 380. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline concealer here. Now we're going to go ahead and contour. To contour, I'm going in with the beautiful bronze from LA Girl Pro Conceal. We're going to go ahead and highlight. We're going to set under the eyes first using this Sacha Buttercup powder. Looking good, looking good, looking good. Now we're going to go ahead and set the contour. We're going to be using the Ebony Bronzer from CoverGirl. So now I'm going to go ahead and add some more setting powder, and I'm going to add that underneath my eye. Well, all the highlighted areas. I'm going to bake just a little. This Zuba color. I'm going to go in this pink color here from the Zulu palette. Mascara now. Going to the bottom. Okay, that's good. Now I'm going to go ahead and blend away this powder. And without adding extra product, I'm just going to blend underneath here. And then just to make that where it's not so harsh, I'm going to blend it with a brush that has no product on it. That's good. Now we're going to go ahead and put some glue on the lashes while we do our blush and highlights. These are the lashes we're using. Going in with the Tarte Feisty blush. It's my Ray Ray number 5 brush. And the Honor Roll highlighter from the crayon case. This beautiful champagne color. Then I'm going to add some to my inner corner. Let me just blend out the harsh edges. First, for the inner corner, I'm going to go in with this color called Oh Sun. It's a pink color. Now I'm going to go in with the highlighter and just brighten that up. Okay, so let me hurry up and put these lashes on before they dry up on me. Go under my lashes under here again. For the outline of the lip, I'm going to go in with Colored Rain Soul. Go in with this Ambition from Makeup by Bo. And for the center of the lips, I'm using this Maybelline Driver. Then I'm going to go back over it again with this Soul. Then I'm going to go ahead and go in with some concealer in the center. And top it all off with some gloss. This is the Neat Free Gloss from ColourPop. This is the completed birthday makeup look. Now I'm going to go ahead and put on my unit, get dressed, and I will be right back. Alright beauties, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had a lot of fun creating this birthday look. This is like a remix off of a look that I did before. That was following Anika Tutorials a makeup look that she did like for last December. It was like a Winter Wonderland look. But I put my own remix on it with the pink, and I will make sure to link that below so you can see how to get this look. I pretty much followed all the steps that she did, but I just used different colors to create it for pink because, like I told you guys, for the month of October, all of my looks are going to have pink for Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So you guys let me know how you feel about this look below. Also, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Continue to share these videos so other people can see how to get these looks. And please continue to subscribe and tell other people to subscribe so we can continue to grow. Thank you guys so much for your support, and thank you for watching. Happy birthday to me. Bye.